If you're looking for a beautiful waterfront colonial in the village of Babylon with a wide canal, I think 95 Midway may be the one for you. When you enter this home, foyer leads to the living room with gas fireplace, dining room with sliders, and an eat-in kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances. Second floor features master bedroom with vaulted ceiling, a walk-in closet, amazing spa bathroom, and 3 more bedrooms with a walk-up attic. My favorite part of this home is the backyard. It is like having your very own oasis. Located south of Montauk and Babylon with our amazing Argyle Lake, close to Long Island Railroad, great for commuters, 95 Midway Street is the home for you.